the course Classical Motion of a Single Particle. This course is dedicated to the study of classical mechanics related to the motion of a single particle or even for a group of particles or an extended body where the resultant motion can be effectively represented by a single particle. Now, in general, you have all learned classical mechanics in high school and you have solved a lot of very complicated problems. But if you remember that most of the times you had used only one effective variable or maximum two variables, or mostly some cases where you used symmetry so that you could avoid the vector formulation of classical mechanics. In this course, we will explicitly introduce the vector formulation of classical mechanics so that you can use them and to solve the problems from one-dimensional to n-dimensional space. Now, secondly, we will also introduce a very useful alternative method of classical mechanics called the method of Lagrangian to obtain the equations of motion for several systems, especially where the motions are constrained and we don't know exactly the nature of the constraint forces. This Lagrangian method is also useful to introduce the field theory and advanced topics in physics. Now finally, we will also discuss basic concepts of phase space dynamics in classical mechanics, which will be pivotal in understanding the statistical mechanics as well, and we will also introduce chaos, which will be the gateway for understanding the nonlinear dynamics. Remember, although classical mechanics may sound less enthralling or mundane with respect to quantum mechanics or statistical mechanics, but a proper understanding of classical mechanics is the key factor for understanding all those enthralling fields of physics and also understanding the engineering problems, fluid motions, aviation problems, even astrophysics. Okay, I therefore vividly encourage all of you to enroll for this course and also register for the exam, which will contain very simple MCQ questions based on the lecture materials and the assignment problems. Okay, thank you very much and see you soon.